All right, so next up is the UOB PRVI Miles card. And this card comes in three forms. It can be in the Visa, it can be in the MasterCard, and it can also be in the American Express. However, what's important to note here is that this credit card gives you 1.4 miles per dollar on an uncapped basis. So say you spend $500, you'll get 1.4 miles per dollar. And if you spend $10,000, you'll still get 1.4 miles per dollar. Additionally, you can actually earn 2.4 miles per dollar on your overseas spending. However, given the 3.25 or 3.5% credit card charge on overseas spending, you're effectively paying for miles. There is also the added benefit if you do decide to spend on overseas spending that you can actually get 3 miles per dollar on 4 countries' currency spend. So this includes the Thai baht, the Indonesian rupiah, the Vietnamese dong, and the Malaysian ringgit. One thing to remember about the UOB PRVI Miles card is that you're awarded miles in $5 blocks. So whether you spend $5 or $9.99, you're still going to get the same amount of miles. So the UOB PRVI Miles card for me is a solid all-round general spending card with a 1.4 mile per dollar rate that is uncapped. So this can be pretty useful if you have big ticket spending items that you need to spend on in Singapore dollars. However, we do know that the minimum we should be aiming for in the miles accrual game is basically 4 miles per dollar on our spend. So in that sense, I'm going to put the UOB PRVI Miles card in the B category.